Episode 51, we are entering the flat, and these days you are seeing massive activities happening on site. So we are entering the entrance common passage. The flooring bed which we were doing, there was a patch of the part which is left in the passage. This is the ceiling which I have not yet started because my 3D finalization of the passage area is yet to be done. Well, moving ahead in the kitchen area, I've already covered most of the things, but here, I mean, yesterday we could complete the framing and the electrification of this part of the kitchen, and this is the wash area which you all are very well aware of. I am not going to have a false ceiling over there. So moving ahead, in yesterday's video we had seen the framing work and the electrical conduiting of the living and dining area, so that also has completed. We have completed that successfully yesterday, so I am taking you there now. The flooring bed is allowed to rest for a few days to gain strength. As mentioned, you can see the false ceiling work of the living and the dining. The gypsum board have been successfully installed. Design front, talking about the design front here, I am thinking of, like, I have purposely kept the ceiling plain and I'm just giving one or two coves which you'll be understanding. I'm not going to reveal each and everything right now, but on purpose I've kept the ceiling to be very flat because that is my personal favorite. I don't like too many detailing in the false ceiling, because what happens is, if the false ceiling is too much complicated, I mean there's too much of design element infused in the false ceiling, then the wall decor, the purpose gets a bit diffused. I mean, so I personally feel it that way, and my client here, they were ready to go for flat ceilings. Well guys, the framing, window framing, door framing, most of the things have been already covered. Now these are the electrical conduiting what you are seeing, which are going from the wall. So moving ahead, in the common bathroom, since we are seeing everywhere the false ceiling, in the common bathroom we are not going even for PVC ceiling here. Usually for the bathrooms I prefer PVC, but here we are not going for PVC. There is a surprise element coming up, so stay tuned. Now, as I mentioned yesterday, we are maintaining a pattern of 70-30 in this bedroom. Today most of the flooring work is being completed. So what you see here is the cleaning post flooring. The cleaning is going on. Framing and electrical conduiting of this have been explained in the earlier videos. It's looking amazing. Client is also very happy with the progress, and client's happiness means everything to us. Now in the master, this is the passage leading to both the bedrooms and the common toilet. The false ceiling is yet to be done because I have not freezed with the concept yet here. In the master bedroom, this is kept for rest of the floor bed, and yesterday we had seen the breaking is completed, so the patch plaster has been done today, and probably tomorrow or day after we'll be even commencing with the proposed brickwork of this area. Fabricated grills have mostly installed in throughout the flat. It is only the living room where the AC duct fabrication is left. In the master bedroom, most of the things are completed. It is only one niche, which is one niche tile, two niche tiles which we are yet to install. Well guys, so that's up for the day. We have covered most of the things, and very happy to share the progress with you guys. It gives me a different spark element. So I hope you are enjoying the series, and your emails are really inspiring me to showcase many such series. So thank you guys, but as always I would like you to comment here below the video and like, share and subscribe. Bye.